Hey my friends, this is Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about why most people make under $100,000 a year. Now, I'm talking about people who live in first world countries that should be making over $100,000 a year if they really wanted to. And if that's you, I have so much that I want to share with you. Now, before I get into this video, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification button, and follow me on every single platform because I have so much more I want to share with you. So here I come. Okay, the biggest reason why most people make under $100,000 a year in first world countries is because they are thoroughly miseducated. Look, my friends, there's so many times where people think they know exactly what to do with their life, but they don't know at all. But then there's another section of people who don't even know what they don't know, and they can never get there because they have no knowledge. You see, my friends, in order for you to be able to reach $100,000 a year, or even $1 million, or even $1 billion, you have to understand this formula I'm about to share with you. The demand for what you do, plus your ability to do it, and the difficulty of replacing you will determine your income. I'll repeat that one more time. The demand for what you do right now, your ability to do it, which is the value that you offer, and the difficulty of replacing you, which is your indispensability, will determine your income. Let me give you a clear example. Let's say you are a cashier. The demand for what you do is really high unless these jobs are completely automated by the time you see this video. Then you have to think about your ability to do it. You might be exceptional at your job, but that will only lead you to become the manager of that store. And then the difficulty of replacing you is really easy because there's a lot of people who want those kind of jobs and are willing to work for minimum wage or a little bit higher. Now, instead of being a cashier, let's say you are a high-end retail specialist that has a lot of experience in management. The demand for what you do is astronomical. Everyone needs your help. And your ability to do it is also really well. You add a lot of value no matter where you go. And the difficulty of replacing you is really hard to find people like you. So most likely you're going to make $100,000 because you understand those three key functions. Once you find something that has a high demand, that you're really good at, and it's completely difficult to replace you, then you're gonna make more money because they want you, they need you, they see your resourcefulness, and they will reward you for it. Let me give you another example. Let's say that you are a surgeon. The demand for what you do is really high. For brain surgeons, it's a lot higher. Now, your ability to do it is also high. You're the best of the best, and their ability to replace you is impossible. What about an athlete? It's in high demand. We need a lot of baseball players, we need a lot of football players, we need a lot of basketball players. If your ability to do it is exceptional, then you're going to be very hard to replace once you make it on the team. Now, you might be saying, Daniel, those are not average jobs. I can't be a basketball player or a surgeon or a store manager. What should I do? It's very simple. I want you to think about the current positioning that you have right now in your life. And I want you to ask those three questions. What is the demand for the job that you're currently doing? How good are you at doing it? And how easy is it to replace you? Once you understand the answer to these three questions, it will give you everything you need to know in order to head into the right direction. So there you go, my friends. I just shared with you how to make $100,000 a year or more depending on where you are. My friends, this is Aldie. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification button, and share it with other people who really need to understand these secrets. Again, this is your mentor, Aldie. I look forward to your success, I look forward to your prosperity, I look forward to your happiness. Continue to add more value to more people in less time, and I promise you, you'll have everything you'll ever need in order to succeed. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.